Hey everybody, Sword of Flames here with...
Tits.
Yes, Titty Sprinkles. popsmom00, and we're playing more co-op on Cry of Fear. We failed last time, so we have to go back and redo the entire chapter.
Oh, if you right-click with the stick, you do a different attack. You go around the corner first. You have the gun.
It's dead. Okay, see, I conserve my ammo. I don't waste an entire clip of ammo on a dead zombie.
He was alive.
Mr. Mutton Basher. Oh dear. Did you hear that?
You're dealing with it. Stop masturbating!
Whoa, what the heck is that? What the heck is that?
I don't know, but it's
that guy had a book on his head.
It's a book.
There's another one. There's another one. They're really creepy. Like they kind of act like Slender. Like if you look at them, they. Oh god, it hurts to look at them. Dude,
Seriously?
looking at them hurts.
It doesn't hurt me.
Just die. Okay.
Back up, back up, back up. I have an M16.
Where did you find that?
Places.
Oh, dude, can I have the morphine? Because I'm almost dead already.
Yeah, there's something strange about Dr. Pernell.
What?
Dr. Pernell. Could it be? Pernell note. It says there's something strange about Dr. Pernell in this note.
Something strange about Dr. Pernell. Okay.
Here, I'll drop the morphine. I keep pressing escape instead of tab. The morphine's right behind you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Alright. Now.
Oh, dude, that noise you make. Yeah, this is near the place we died.
No, the place we died was like way ahead of here.
Nope, we are not going down that.
Why not? Come on, Ben. Don't
Long,
be a pussy.
spooky corridor.
Ben, don't
That is
be a
just
pussy.
logic.
Don't be a pussy.
Also, we gotta search for loot.
Let's search for
Wait, this is where we died. Because I remember we went through the store or something.
It was like, oh god! I'm beating you with a stick.
Just flop. Just fall to the ground. Flop.
I think there's morphine at the bottom of this.
Bottom of where?
Okay, I found 2 clips of ammo. You want one?
Yeah, I'll grab one.
And a morphine. I think I should use the morphine again. Because I'm the only one doing any fighting.
I mean, I could, but you're not letting me.
I never said you couldn't. You just decided not to do anything.
Fine, I'll have my pistol out.
Okay, where'd you go?
This is so awkward. It's running at like 18 frames per second.
Where did you go?
Hell no! Oh! Tits!
Oh, there's 2 of them! There's 2 of them!
How do you aim it? Ah, the recoil!
I think they're dead.
I'm pressing right click to aim in when it's the
It's middle mouse to aim in.
Yeah, that is awkward.
Okay, oh, mine.
Another what if I just took it?
You already have one.
Yeah, I know, what if I just took it? Just ninja loots. Wait, can we go through here?
What do you mean?
The fire door is a shield shot. I can talk, trust me. Through here.
Yeah, I know. I remember.
It's Titty Sprinkles and Sword of Flames on an adventure.
Oh god. Lag. I'm not even in yet.
I'm loaded.
Yet?
I'm loading.
Yeah, me too. Okay, we're in. Are you here? I'll wait for you to get in.
I have been disconnected from the server.
Just rejoin.
Jordan, you're bad at running servers. You're bad at this.
Hey, it did it when we were playing with you. Okay, you're back in. Let's go. Oh god. Demon babies! Demon babies!
Nope! Dude, they're not attacking me!
It's because they were going after me.
Yeah, this is where I died. Wow, the beaks died faster than I remember. Morphine over here. Why do I have low health? How did I lose health?
I don't know.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, those guy things.
Those.
We have the same health, except I have one here.
The spooky, scary scope. Lee Enfield.
What?
Wait, that's a G36. G43, I can count, trust me. I keep pressing escape instead of tab. Chainsaw, watch out.
Where?
I hear him.
Anything in here?
I have a, G30.
Oh, yeah, I hear it too.
But it's more near that area, so... I think we're fine over here. What? Ah!
Get down!
Oh, hey, dude, shotgun shells, but we don't have a shotgun.
Yeah. We lost the shot. Oh, there's nothing here.
You don't know that? What if there's titty sprinkles?
Yeah, you're right there.
Watch out, chainsaw can be around any corner. That's where we came from.
We don't need to go back. Oh. What about up here?
Wait, isn't the chainsaw up here? Ah! Oh, tits!
Oh god, there's more of them. I'm out! We fail so bad.
Horror games. I'm good at them. I get hit once, I run off and end up running into the chainsaw.
Wait, you ran into the chainsaw?
Yeah.
Jeez. Demon babies!
I hear a giant...
Conserve ammo, jeez.
I am, I loaded 4 bullets into him. Wait, we don't have an M16 anymore.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, found the rifle again.
Oh, you found it.
Wait, there were only shotgun shells this way, weren't there?
Who knows, it might have changed.
Let's
I already
look around.
checked in here. Looks like there's nowhere to go but up.
Wait, let's look at everything.
I did look at everything. I've been through here.
Oh, is he already coming for us? Yeah, let's escape.
Oh no.
Behind you, you should be coming from...
There's nothing in
I
here.
hear the chainsaw.
Lock is smashed in, it won't budge.
You go first.
You're the one with the rifle!
Ladies first.
Nope. Dude, you're the one with the rifle. I'm almost out of shots.
Shot. Oh, God.
Get out. Go.
Hello?
What was it? I think there's one behind you.
Nope. Let's walk backwards, because the chainsaw's... Behind you! Got him. Let's walk this way, away from the chainsaw, and find a good gun. For you, hurry. Hurry, find you a gun. Oh, crap, behind you. I'll let you take care of him, please.
I can't! I am out of ammo!
Ah! God damn!
You have morphine. Revive me.
I keep pressing escape. It's right click, right?
Right click, yes. Okay, and I'm almost dead.
Let's just keep going this way. Shotgun!
Come on. Wait, isn't there shotgun ammo downstairs?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go get it before we do anything else.
Before we fight that big guy.
Yeah, the chainsaw.
There's
Yeah, let's go.
I didn't kill the beak because I didn't go down this way, so watch out. He should be one more door up.
Yep. Got him.
His flap. Other way.
Blap. Oh jeez, there's another one! Okay then. We're good now. Except I'm almost dead.
Okay, now we go to the left. You go first. You have the close range. He's around the corner. Like I think one more up.
Yup.
Defunctling?
I don't know.
Just load a couple bullets into him.
Yup, he's coming! He's coming! He's coming!
Down! Run down! Run down!
Oh, I made a horrible mistake! I made a horrible mistake! I'm dead.
Camping.
Dude, he's just standing by my body. Come up here and kill him.
Yeah, but he takes a couple bullets.
Then load a clip into him!
I have a slow gun.
Dude, he's at the end of the hallway. You can kill him.
Oh, you're right. He's running around.
He's just running around my dead body. Just shoot him. He's dead. Okay, now go find some morphine and revive me. Go ahead and find some morphine.
Yeah, I know. Wait, didn't we search this area already?
Yeah.
Yeah, we.
That's why I said go ahead and find some morphine.
What did I just do?
Should I just revive myself or wait for me to be revived?
Dude, you can revive yourself? What?
After a while, it says you can press space to respawn and lose your weapons or wait to be revived.
I'll try to find morphine.
Alright. I'm probably just gonna cut this out.
No, it's good to just hear me walking around.
Just see you walking around aimlessly. Is this morphine? No, that's cocaine. I'll take it
M16!
anyway. Oh, come on.
Ah!
What happened?
What the hell? No!
Should I respawn?
No, I found morphine.
Okay. Hurry up and come revive me.
Holy tits, I'm screwed. That was,
What happened?
I fell into the hole. I can't.
You can't get out?
Click, okay. Coming back upstairs. Ugh.
I can hear you walking up going, ugh, ugh, ugh.
Keep pressing. I stabbed you in the penis.
I'm not sure if I should say. I'm not sure if I should say thank you or. Alright.
Dude, okay, let me show you where I fell. No, it was. Whoops. It was one of the bathrooms. Yeah, it's to the left here. No, is it to the left? Dude, I'm about to die. I'm about to die. I'm about to die. I'm about to die.
So is this where you fell?
Yeah. Straight down into that hole.
Okay.
Do you want the M16 or can I have it?
You go ahead and have it. I got a shotgun. Shotgun is OP.
Can you try to grab it for me?
Oh, I found another box of shotgun shells.
Can you jump over and grab it for me or wait? I think I got this.
What? Where is it?
See it on the toilet, past the hole.
What? Oh, okay. So I gotta go back upstairs.
Dude, I'm almost dead. 12 health.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, it's impossible to grab. It's stuck there. Dude, I could really go for some Toblerone and chocolate right now.
Oh, I tried to jump, but I didn't.
Let's just go. Let's just go.
Yeah.
We need to find some morphine. I'm almost dead.
Alright. So I guess there's nowhere to go but up. Where'd you go?
Well, there's a door at the end of the hallway, but I'm afraid to check it. Oh, nothing here?
What door at the end of the hallway?
Over here. But there was nothing in there.
There was a box of shotgun shells there and I picked it up.
Oh, if the floor just collapsed again. Ugh.
Oh, that was funny.
You just hear a loud scream. Door's locked by keypad. Where's the keypad?
Guessing we need to find a key.
Well, keypads are button pushes, so I guess we have to find something.
That's not a door.
Let's ask the chair.
Oh, dude, look, go out this window. Oh god!
Where are you?
I'm over here. Where are you? In here, we can go out this window. There was a guy right here.
Morphine.
Okay,
Need
so we can go down.
morphine. Dude, one of the big guys. Oh, in here. You go first. Ah! Tits!
What?
That guy scared me. Shotgun shells.
Oh, what? He got out the window!
Oh. Damn it! Shotgun shells in there.
Don't you
We're
dare!
dead. We're dead.
I shot him in the face with a shotgun and he didn't even get hurt.
Did you not jump through the window I died at?
No, I jumped through a different window.
There were shotgun shells in there. Oh! Wow, this is awkward.
Oh god.
Conserve ammo!
Shut up. That was conserving ammo. I loaded almost a full clip into it and it still didn't die.
One to our left. Oh wait, did you kill this one?
I need to find the shotgun.
Shotgun was upstairs. No. Yeah, it was in upstairs to the...
I thought for sure it was... No, over here was the shotgun. Oh
and
god.
the B.
Oh god, help! 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 Help!
Oh yeah,
Help!
morphine. Oh!
Let's kill them.
You gotta tap it a few times. Press and escape. Stab you in the neck! Get back up.
Alright, now I'm going to pick up these shotgun shells.
Shotgun's upstairs, and Lee infield should be right here.
So you go first, because you have the gun. I have nothing. So
I'll go. There should be something over here, shouldn't there?
I think there's a guy over here.
Not over here, but down that hallway.
Yeah, down that hallway there is. That's what I meant. So you kill it, because you have the gun. And I'm almost dead. Okay, here.
Right here. Back up, back up.
Whoa! Oh, it went after me!
Really? God damn it. Oh, I thought the chainsaw was right behind me. I started hearing him. Okay. Oh, wow, that's a lot of mouse lag. That's a lot of mouse lag.
Can't swish.
I'll try to find some morphine before I tackle the big guy.
Alright, well, he's right upstairs, and I don't think there's anything around, so...
Yeah, I have to fall through that hole.
Which the big guy is guarding. Should I just respawn myself?
If you want to. Found the shotgun.
Okay. You upstairs?
Yeah, I'm near the shotgun. It's to this way. You had 100 health, so that's good.
Yeah. So, if we do find morphine, you use it. Let me,
Yep, let's get ready.
1, 2, 3. Alright.
He's down the hallway.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, hey, Beak. Watch out, Beak.
Okay, now. We gotta work together. So, do we go down when he starts coming towards us?
I'll run. Yeah, run down. Like, shoot him a couple times and run down. Because there's a hallway we can camp in.
Yep, let's get out of here.
There's a hallway we can camp in. To the right and all the way down the hallway. Because he can get stuck on the doors, I think. Where is he?
Oh, he's right there!
Right where?
He was on the stairs, and I thought he was stuck there, and I went to check to see if he was stuck there, and he ran down the stairs and killed me.
I don't think he sees me. He sees me.
Oh god. That's
Oh,
scary.
he's stuck! Shoot! What? It wasn't shooting! And now he's having a seizure over my dead body.
I think we'll continue this in the next part.
Oh, my videos are usually like 40 minutes long. So.
Fine, I'll keep going.
Oh, you don't have to. It's just I'm saying my videos. Do you want the rifle? You can have the rifle.
No, I'll stick with the shotgun.
Wait, let me have the shotgun. We could switch forward.
I don't want the rifle. I want the shotgun.
Rifle's in the first... No, just take the rifle. Let me have the shotgun. Rifle's in here. Right on the bench. Okay, there's morphine in here. Let's try to keep it.
If you don't need it, don't use it. Alright, shotgun shells are in here if you want them. Shotgun shells are in here if you want them.
Really slow, so yeah. I'll just pick them up for now.
All right.
And let's go get the shotgun.
All right.
Wait, we haven't cleared the rest of the area.
Yeah. Oh.
Helped you out there. Oh.
Got him.
It takes one hit to kill the beaks with that, so.
And with the shotguns.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Okay, so we head to the right.
There's two of them. There's three of them. There's three of them. Okay, I'm almost out of ammo.
Oh, a beak! Of course, help, 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 help! Help, help! Oh, fits!
I'm out of ammo.
Pistol. Damn, and we're almost dead already.
Use morphine.
Me?
The doctor has locked the door. Yeah, use your morphine.
Yeah, because I'm about to be going up in front with the big guy.
Alright. So, you got the shotgun?
Yep, let's do this.
I have 5 shots left in my pistol. Let's do this.
So, there's a beak around this corner.
Right. Okay, he's right there. Going downstairs. Hurry up. Oh god! Oh god, you're dead! You're dead! You're so dead! Oh god!
You can shoot him through the crack. You can shoot him through the crack in the stairs. See that little crack in the middle of the stairs? Shoot him through that. I tried to run around the stairs, but I ran back up. See that little crack in the middle? Shoot him through that. Shoot it like towards my dead body. I'll be right back. I'm gonna find some food.
Okay, good. Okay, good news. I managed him with every single one of my bullets. Bad news, he's not dead.
Wait, it didn't work? You out of ammo?
Yeah, I hit him with all of my bullets, but he's still not dead, so I think we're gonna
Wait, just wait a few seconds and I should be able to respawn or something.
Alright. I'll wait for you to get back. Let's see if I can...
How long does it usually take? Oh.
A minute, maybe. All I have left is my brain.
Oh shit, he's running downstairs!
He is. And you're dead again. No! No!
Alright, screw it, I quit. I quit.
Yeah, me too. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next episode.